guys, this is Lila Gurgaon Ambiance Mall. Clubhouse access rooms. I don't have clubhouse access, but these are the rooms. I really like them. Here's a video. This is the washroom. Once you come in, left there was the cupboard. It's the washroom. So if you open this, it's actually this. Show you from outside what it's like. So it's huge. There's the bathtub, and here on the left hand side is actually the cabinet. There's a huge mirror, and there you have the cabinet. Cabinet is here. I haven't opened it. There's a locker and shelves, usual stuff. Not opening. Very good quality olden time wood, of course. Okay, then this is the area of place to keep the trolley and shoe shelf below. And here we are coming near the room. Here's the bed. Here's a light with a charger. And on the left hand side you can see the TV, and below that you have the table for the coffee and all that. And right there, that is the office desk, and over there is the sofa. I'll give you a closer look to the sofa, and there's the curtain behind. So I'll just show the sofa from close up, otherwise it's hidden. Yay, very nice suede sofas. Actually loved it. Overall, I think these rooms are great. Lila's service is great, so you can try and ask them for an upgrade. Sometimes if they have it available, they might help you out. They have a loyalty program. You can sign up for that. Okay, that's it.